Raise on your feet for anything.
A teacher, technical educator must be there. Yes, but the rule numbers 68 like that. And then specifically the rule number 98 and 96 and 90. So our trainees who are participants of this program, we can give a big clap to them, because since they are undergoing training as well as they are getting a training in another specialized course, it is a happiest moment for that emphasize that the inmates, the incarcerated person must be offered a very good education and vocational training. Apart from that, there are 11 sections or rules says about the education. That is
Skill development has been another remarkable area of progress. Skill development. Training in carpentry, weaving, bakery, beautician courses, and also so many courses that will benefit or that will enhance the skill of our inmates. These skills give inmates confidence, employability, and a sense of self-worth. Qualities essential for successful reintegration into society. Then the role of prison officers, your role. Behind every successful reformation story stands a committed prison officer. Your patience, your empathy and sense of duty are what turn prison walls into spaces of opportunity. You are not just custodians of laws. You are mentors. You are gates and catalysts of change. Oh, Mahatma Gandhi said, prison's life should not make one bitter. It should make one better. That is, we must ensure that every inmate who steps out of prison carries not bitterness, but hope and readiness to begin a new chapter. So, when we teach an inmate to read, we light a lamp in darkness. When we teach an inmate to read, we light a lamp in darkness. Then when we teach a prisoner to teach a skill, that we give him a tool for dignity. We give him a tool for dignity. when we teach a prisoner to read, we light a lamp in darkness. When we teach a prisoner a skill, we actually give him a tool for dignity. Tool for dignity. Then what happens if we show compassion? What happens? We awaken his humanity. Humanity we awaken. Skill goes to dignity. That is, teaching and to read goes to light a lamp in darkness. Then compassion awaken his humanity. That is what we must understand. A reformed inmate becomes an asset to society, a testimony to the power of correctional work. Our collective efforts directly to safer communities, reduced recidivism, and more inclusive nation. These initiatives also enhance the morale of our